She seems 10 years younger thanks to this. Right now is the envy of all her neighbors. We could say that all people yearn to have optimal health and that this state is always maintained, that is, not get sick. But unfortunately, in the world in which we live, this is practically impossible, since every person has some disease or organ affected. And many of the diseases and complications that we suffer come as a result of neglect in our lifestyle and/or ill treatment of our health. If we want to have a full life, it is necessary to have health. If we want to be healthy, we must lead a balanced life, and this balance is achieved by exercising, eating healthy, having the necessary hours of sleep, drinking enough water, not neglecting spirituality, and complementing all these activities with the natural home remedies that are capable of healing various diseases. Today we will teach you a natural remedy to make us feel 25 years less, because it helps to treat different conditions, such as diabetes, cleans arteries and intestines, reduces muscle aches, improves the health of our bones, improves vision, etc. In turn, this natural treatment prevents new diseases from appearing. It is the perfect complement to take care of our health to 100%. When you start taking it, you will notice the difference quickly. This is the remedy that you must have at home and consume daily to be able to say goodbye to many ailments, illnesses and visits to the doctor. Ingredients: 4 heads of garlic, 4 unpeeled organic lemons, 2 tablespoons grated ginger, 2 liters of water. Preparation: 1. Wash all the lemons and garlic, then blend the ingredients without the water, lemons and the shell. Then boil the water and add the liquefy to cook for 15 minutes. 2. Finish time: keep this remedy in a bottle or glass jar with lid, in the refrigerator. 3. Take a glass of this shake each morning on an empty stomach for 3 weeks. Rest a week and repeat the process. You can add honey to this remedy, due to its strong flavor.